steam, history, and mountain views. A journey back in time in this third episode of Almost Heaven, West Virginia. We take you through the historic train rides that have been running for over a century. Nestled in Allegheny Mountains, Cass, West Virginia stands as a living testament to a bygone era. Our train ride was scheduled for 10 in the morning, departing from Cass to Durbin on a 5-hour round trip. Since we are a generation accustomed to metro and electric trains, we were excited to see a locomotive with actual steam and hear the sound it made. As we boarded, our host welcomed us and narrated the history of the area while we rode along the river. The farms and houses, now standing empty and forgotten, were once home to families who thrived on the bustling economy created by the railroad. These tracks were once the arteries of the logging industry, with trains hauling lumber from the mountains to mills and markets beyond. As the train rumbled along, it felt like we were traveling through both the snowy wilderness and time itself. The rhythmic chugging, the occasional blast of the whistle, and the steam rising into the cold air. Every detail was a reminder of a simpler yet more demanding way of life. After 2 hours, we reached Durbin for our lunch stop. Grabbing a quick coffee, we enjoyed the break before boarding again for our return journey. After the ride, we explored the Cass Museum, where old logging tools, photographs, and pieces of machinery told the tale of an era long gone. Seeing those rusted gears and faded pictures made us reflect on how quickly the world changes. Tools that were once essential are now relics of a forgotten time. Cass may be a small town today, but its legacy is anything but small. It's a story of endurance, of people who shaped these mountains and left their mark. Wanting to carry a piece of that history with us, we visited the souvenir shop, knowing that what we took away was more than just a keepsake. It was a connection to a past that shaped today's generation.